Hey everyone, welcome back to Overland Trails Adventures. I'm Shannon, and today's a really cool day because we've had an opportunity to work with a lot of vendors this past year, a lot of build partners, picked up some ambassadorships, and we want to show them a little bit of love. We want to support them. They work hard to provide a good product. So today we are at the graphics company, adding some logos to the truck to show our support for them, and we're going to take you along with us. So let's go.
In essence, what I'm doing right now is just doing a simple lineup. I'm going to make sure that the actual RTA that I'm putting up lines up right with the car. Basically, want the image to follow the car itself rather than follow anything like level-wise. What I'm doing right now is pretty much just adding an anchor to this. This is pretty much going to be my starting point. What I'm going to do is roll this side up, following still that line. I'm going to try and rip these pieces of tape. So once I remove that, get rid of the backer, tear it out, it'll be a lot easier to line up. This backer really does not like to freeze. One big mistake that I see often happen is that people try and do it in one single swipe without realizing that a lot of these parts are just curved. So you see them often just do one straight line like this, and then the graphic looks off because you don't really follow the body itself. So this is pretty much what I'm doing. That's why I'm doing short downward strokes, because I want it to fall onto it and just try and force it to follow direction.
Alrighty guys, that's a wrap on the project. I want to thank Diego for all his hard work on this stuff, man. The logos came out really good, and we'll be back to see these guys later on. They do really good work. It's the graphic company in Plano. You gotta look them up, check them out.
Thank you.